Hi, I'm Karen Yeager and I'm the proud principal of Hills Grammar School. What we wanted was a science lab that resembled what happens at university. So the focus is on the students and their learning. Students need to see themselves in roles such as a scientist or a writer or an engineer, depending on the subject they're doing, because without that, they don't identify with the subject. The old space was way ahead of its time in the 1990s, but it was in rows. It was very fixed and the children couldn't move around, and the main thing on stage was the teacher's desk. And the head of science did not want that. I worked with Civic Australia on a previous project and found them to be incredibly creative, and that's really hard to get people that are blue sky thinkers out there now, even in something like architecture and design.
Our concept was largely led by the forward-thinking nature of the client. By moving away from a traditional design and thinking outside of the box, we aimed to break boundaries, and by doing so, we hope to encourage the students to do the same. By developing a well-thought-out test fit and cleverly placing furniture, we were able to achieve a spacious and comfortable learning environment.
When it was open, we were thrilled. The science faculty were just over the moon and they just loved being in this space, so much so the other science teachers now want this room. I observed a class in Year 11 the other day. The way that they interacted, collaborated, got up, moved around, used interactive whiteboard, went to the back to do what they had to do. The whole space just works for a great collaborative space. Would I recommend Civic Australia? Certainly. Easy to work with. They're able to take the concept that we had and realise it into a space that we're all very happy with.